Hey everybody, it's Jimmy from the DIY and Digital, and it's Christmas and it's time to run some trains. Welcome back everybody. First of all, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any updates like this video. So it's the week of Christmas 2019, and instead of doing a tutorial or anything complicated that I know you guys are really busy with your families, I just wanted to give you guys a fun video that you could watch in your spare time as you're traveling between holiday destinations. So here is just a video of me running some trains on my layout and its current state. And I hope you guys enjoy it. Merry Christmas and happy holidays. Have a good time.